Hi, in this video I will show you how you can add a neon outline effect to a picture in Canva. So basically the picture or maybe the subject of the picture will have the lighting effect surrounding the subject or surrounding the picture, and it will make the content more stand out. So without further ado, let me show you how you can achieve that effect. First, I do recommend using a dark background for the canvas. You could use a dark picture or solid color or gradient color. As long as it is dark, you're good to go. I'm going to just use a simple black background, and after that let's go to elements, and I'm going to search for some picture. If you have a picture on your computer, you can upload it to Canva, but I'm going to use this picture. And I want to remove the background, so the neon effect will only be applied to this woman, to the main subject of the picture. Let's click background remover and just wait. And there you go. Now let's go to edit. Select on the effect section. I want you to select the shadows option and click glow. And after that, here you can change the color of the glow. I want to select the blue color. Okay, I think that's the color that I think looks best. And after that, you can change the size. Feel free to adjust the number however you like it. And yeah, I think that is good enough. And when you're done, you can close this and you'll get this picture of a woman with a really nice neon surrounding it. And I'm going to add something behind this woman to make it even more attractive. Let's search for blue light. And under the graphic section, I want to add some light behind this woman. Let's add this picture, and I'm going to make it bigger, and let's send it to the back. And there we go. So that's exactly how you can add a neon effect to a picture in Canva.